Hello students, welcome to our today's class and our today's topic chemical property of carbon compound from chapter number 9 carbon compound. So let's start our today's topic. There are four type of reaction: combustion reaction, then oxidation, adding reaction and substitution. So I will explain one by one. First reaction is a combustion reaction. What is a combustion reaction, students? So when a carbon compound or any hydrocarbon burn and react with oxygen in air, they produce the carbon dioxide gas and water vapor. This is called the combustion. Combustion means burn in presence of oxygen. Combustion means burn. Clear? And in a combustion reaction, the hydrocarbon or any compound react with the oxygen in the air. So let's see one example. Some examples here. This is a formula of methane. When a methane react with oxygen, produce the carbon dioxide, then water vapor, and also they emit the heat and light. Clear? So here the four examples and all examples here. This is a butane react with oxygen, produce the carbon dioxide, water vapor, heat and light. Again C2H4, this is a ethene react with oxygen, form the carbon dioxide, water vapor, heat and light. They emit heat and light. That means all the hydrocarbons, all the carbon compound react with oxygen and produce the carbon dioxide and water vapor, and as well as they emit the lot of energy, heat and light. Clear? So for writing this example, this equation, it's very compulsory to balance the equation. So we will balance the equation. So first check the number of atoms both sides. So here 4 hydrogen. So write here 2. So 2 2s are 4. Then oxygen, number of oxygen 2 2 4. 2 oxygen. Then carbon, 1 carbon is here. So this equation is balanced. So it is very necessary to balance the equation. Clear? The next equation, atom of hydrogen first. So here 10 hydrogen. So write down here 5. 5 2s are 10. Here 10. Then carbon, 4 carbon here. So write down here 4. So 4 carbon and 4 carbon. Then oxygen, number of oxygen 5 and 4 2s are 8. Then total 13 oxygen here. Then if you write 13 here, then number of carbon will increase. So one trick to balance the equation fast, that is if we write down here 13 upon 2, then multiply the whole complete equation by 2. Then write here 2, then multiply 2, that means cancel this denominator. Then 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So this equation is balanced. Again, next equation, here number of hydrogen 4. So write here 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 4. Then oxygen, number of oxygen here 2 and 2, 2 2 4. Then write here 2. Then carbon, 2 carbon here. If you write 2, then number of oxygen again, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 6. So write here 3. Clear? So in this way we can balance the equation. Then last equation, number of hydrogen here 5 plus 1 6. Then write here 3. So 3 2s are 6. Then oxygen 3 plus 2. So first balance the number of carbon here. So here number of carbon is 2. So write down here 2. And number of oxygen, 2 2s are 4, 7. And here 2 plus 1 3 oxygen. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 here. So these four equations are balanced. Clear? Again I repeat it. What is combustion? Combustion means burn. The hydrocarbon react with the oxygen, that means they burn in presence of air, then this equation is called the combustion reaction. In a combustion reaction, the hydrocarbon react with the oxygen and produce the carbon dioxide and water vapor, and also they emit the lot of energy, heat and light. Clear? So our next reaction is oxidation. So students, what is the difference between oxidation and reduction here? So let's see here this equation. This is an example of oxidation. Okay, and in oxidation, this is a formula of ethanol. This is a formula of ethanol. This is a combustion reaction, and this equation is a oxidation. So first see the reaction combustion. Here ethanol react with oxygen and form the carbon, produce the carbon dioxide and water vapor, and also heat and light. Clear? But what is the difference between these two reactions? So combustion is a rapid and spontaneously process. Clear? What is the difference between the combustion and oxidation? Combustion is a spontaneous or rapid process, but this is a controlled process, controlled combustion. Clear, student? So let's see what is oxidation. In oxidation reaction, any carbon compound or hydrocarbon react with oxygen, and in this reaction we use the oxidation agent. That means here we use the potassium chromate, potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate, and they supply the oxygen to this compound. They supply the oxygen, these agents supply the oxygen and form the ethanoic acid. This is the ethanoic acid and also water. Clear? So in this reaction, these oxidation agents supply the oxygen, limited oxygen, and this here hydrogen reduced. Here one hydrogen reduced. They form the CH3, COOH, and H2 is reduced in this reaction. Then again balance this equation. So clear? The next reaction is a substitution reaction. What is a substitution reaction? In this reaction, here one atom substitute the other atom. Let's see one example. CH4. This is a methane, and here react with a chlorine gas, Cl2. I write just using a single bond, Cl, single bond, Cl. So here chlorine substitute one hydrogen. Okay, and this reaction will occur in presence of sunlight, because this is the single bond is very strong, and this is a saturated hydrocarbon. One thing again, student, remember this substitute reaction takes place for the saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated means where carbon single bond or carbon hydrogen single bond, and these are very strong. That's why they remains here, they are very unreactive. Okay, so but this equation takes place in presence of sunlight. Then here one chlorine atom substitute the hydrogen, and just add here one chlorine in place of one hydrogen, and again HCl will produce, that is acid. Clear? Then other one example here. What is the name of this? What is the name of this compound is chloromethane, because one carbon here. Chloromethane. And chloromethane here. Chloromethane react with a chlorine again. Then again one this chlorine substitute this hydrogen. So here chlorine, two chlorine add, and here the hydrogen will reduce and form the HCl here. Okay, dichloromethane. What is the name of this compound? Dichloro, because chloromethane react with a chlorine, again one chlorine. This chlorine substitute here and one hydrogen and form the HCl. Here HCl and this chlorine substitute and takes place. Okay, here so they produce this compound, and what is the name of this compound is a dichloro, ClCl, that means dichloromethane. In this way we can make the other equation, dichloromethane react with a chlorine again and form the HCl and CHCl3, tetrachloromethane. So this is a substitution reaction. The next reaction, the next equation, addition equation. In this reaction, this equation takes place for the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Here when a carbon compound react with other atom, then other atom added to the hydrocarbon and form the different compound. Here one example, C double bond C here, that means this is a unsaturated hydrocarbon and name of this ethene, name of this compound is ethene. When ethene react with the hydrogen atom in place of one in a presence of one catalyst, that is a nickel, and here one this hydrogen here this when this reaction occurs, then this bond break down as a Cadbury, clear. So this bond break down and this hydrogen atom add with this compound and form here, they add here, and this is a ethane, this is a ethane, form the compound ethane, and that is a saturated hydrocarbon. So in this reaction, in addition reaction, one atom added to the one compound, one hydrocarbon and form the saturated hydrocarbon. So student, in this method also the unsaturated fat react with the hydrogen in presence of any catalyst, that is nickel, and form the and produce the unsaturated fat. So these are today's video. In this lecture I explained you the 4 equations: combustion reaction, oxidation, substitute reaction and addition. So I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can message me.